Welcome back to the channel. We're in Los Angeles today. Behind us over here, Griffith Park. Up there on the hill over there, is Forest Lawn, right there. And down here, behind all those air conditioners, because it's hot today, it's about 90 degrees, is the Americana brand. So let's see what's going on today. Welcome back. Over there, see the Gene Autry Museum in the American West, Los Angeles Zoo. All that is Griffith Park. So right about there, Gene Autry, Griffith Park. Glendale Galleria. The first Apple store in America, right there, Glendale Galleria. You can live above the Americana if you'd like.
नहीं पता था ग्लेंडेल इतना अच्छा है।
नाम भी अच्छा था
बॉलीवुड के पास में है, बॉलीवुड टोल के पास में।
Ground floor. Going up.
This is the concierge for the Galleria. Does your mall have a concierge? I love these elevators. Some paintings of California. As you can see, it is 11:50. Got the sprinkles over here. Got your Cheesecake Factory. There's our Apple store. This isn't the Apple store I mentioned before. That's over in the Glendale Galleria across the street. The first Apple store. Have your obligatory fountain. Does little shows on the hour. Lights up at night. Play music. You can see they do a trolley. Not sure if it's running today or not. Double-decker trolley, just like at the Grove, Los Angeles. Not as crowded as it usually is. I'm guessing that's because of the heat. Have your Gucci store. A lot of higher end stores here. Yeah, the trolley is in its barn today, so you can see it over there. So that means no trolley today. I'm surprised. It's Saturday. Usually run on Saturdays. Nope. It's Sunday as I record this. But still, it's a weekend. You'd think they'd have it out. And again, it's not that crowded. Maybe they have to have a certain number of guests. They're not guests. It's not Disneyland. Maybe they have to have a certain number of customers, I guess, before they start the trolley. Brand Avenue. Stuff.
Let's do 3. We'll offer 3 up front, including the deposit.
Let's go around the back side, then we'll circle back around. Several restaurants back here. I've eaten at several of these restaurants, but not when they were this. They keep changing owners, names. I guess just changing restaurants, what we'll call that. It's a great old Masonic temple across the street, which is no longer a Masonic temple. CBRE, I'm not sure what that is, but it's for lease. One of my favorite shops, Sur la Table. I'm sure that's not how you say it because it's French. But great shop for all things in the kitchen. Again, the apartment living above the Americana. Mendocino Farms. I'm going to Mendocino in 2 weeks. Might shoot something while I'm up there. Record something while I'm up there, I should say. With a mark. So these apartments are called. Thank you. Get a look at the chandelier up here. Lights up at night, looks very pretty. Chanel. See's Candies. I'm always surprised when I see a See's Candy actually in the wild. I'm guessing since we can't ride on the trolley, we'll just walk on the tracks. It's pretty cool. Barnes & Noble. Looks almost like the one at the Grove, but the Grove has that cool balcony. This one does not. One more cool restaurants. There's a cool shot of the garage that lights up at night at the Eiffel Tower. Tiffany & Co. I think they're moving. Let's go walk on the grass. They have a bandstand over here. They have concerts in the park at night. People come out here. they asked me to stop filming because I'm professional. I'm professional. So that's all for this week. See you next time. We see where the road takes us.